From time to time, you hear of investment opportunities. How can you evaluate whether an investment opportunity is good for you? My name is Dr. Johnny Yamda, and today let's talk about making investment decisions using a process called net present value or NPV. Using NPV or net present value, you are making an investment decision based on today's value of future cash flows. So we are saying how much cash, net cash, you are going to receive in the future in order to make an investment decision. So if the present value of total cash flows you will receive is greater than the investment you are requested to make, then you invest. This is shown in this number line. So we are saying what is the present value of the first cash flow, second, third, up the fifth cash flow. What is that? When you add all these present values and subtract the amount you are investing, if the result is positive, you invest. If the result here at the bottom is negative, you invest, and you are using the discount rate or the required rate of return to discount these cash flows. I like the example we have here because it's very realistic. So we are going to say Matthew finds an opportunity to run a school tuck shop at a local primary school. He needs to invest 30,000 to get started. Then after that, no further investment requirement. The school will give him a 5-year contract, and the cash after all costs net is 6,300. Matthew needs 10% return, which is the discount rate. Should he invest in the tuck shop? So what is he getting every year? Net 6,300, you can see, for the 5-year period. But now we want to see what is the present value of each cash flow. So we are saying 6,300, what is the present value? If we discount it by 10%, it's 5727. The second one discounted by 10%, third one discounted by 10% gives you 47. Fourth one discounted by it gives you 43, and the last, the 5th year, discounted by 10% gives you 3911.8. If you add all the cash flows, net present value of all the cash flows minus the initial investment, it gives you a negative 6365.99. Matthew should not invest because NPV is negative. Okay, it's never enough to look at an example. It's always better if you do your own example. So pause the video here, do this, and go and look at what I did in the next slide. Here I used a slightly different approach, but before we go to the slightly different approach, let's look at the facts. We are told that Sarika is required to invest 10,000. She will get 6,000, and the cost are 1,500. The expected return is 10%. So the net cash flow she is getting is 6,000 minus 1,500, which we show here. So to find the present value, I use the tables at the back of your module. So I said the present value in respect of an annuity. Why an annuity? Because it's 4,500, the same throughout. So I said then so 10% required return over 6 years is the annuity factor is 4.3553 times 4,500, which is the net cash flow, less that gives you 9598.58. Then the decision here is to invest. If you said that, well done. So what did we say today? We said the NPV can be used to make investment decisions. If the NPV for all future cash flows is greater than 0, then you invest. Thank you and goodbye.